guys, happy Friday. I hope everybody's having a really great week. So today we are going to do some practice with our tricky words that we already know, and we're going to do some dictation with those words as well. So what I want you guys to do is I want you to grab some of those memory cards that you guys made yesterday. So you should have of, the, and all, okay? And you can have them on a regular piece of paper or index cards or however you've got them, okay? So you have those words. Set those off to the side for a minute. I'm going to give you a list of 5 words, and the first list is CVC words, words that are 3 letters that you've been writing for weeks, okay? So the first word is lot. The second word is bag. The third word is box. The fourth word is cup. The fifth word is can. Okay, so you should have 5 words in your first set. Your second set of words is going to have 11 words. And they start out kind of easy and then they get a little trickier, okay? So the first one is cash. Be careful with that digraph. It's 1 sound, but 2 letters. Milk. Trash. Sand. Nuts. Chips, flags, bugs, gifts, rags, stamps. Set number 3 is going to have 8 words. Cats, dogs, pigs, fish, crabs, rats, bugs, frogs. And what I would like for you to do is take the tricky words that you have already learned, okay? And you're going to make me some phrases. So for example, you just wrote down box, you just wrote down a bunch of words. So I'm going to make so I have one of the words I wrote was box. Another one of my tricky words is of chips, a box of chips. So I want you to pick 2 tricky words and I want you to write me 5 phrases. No, I want you to write me 4 phrases using 2 tricky words in each phrase that makes a sentence, like a box of chips or the bag of stamps, okay? I want you to make up your own phrases that have 2 tricky words apiece in them, okay? Does that make sense? Okay, if not, send me a message and ask, and I'll give you an example, okay? Beautiful. So send me your dictation for that. Send me those words that you wrote. Send me your phrases that you wrote, okay? So we're going to read this story called And Then It's Spring. And we're reading this because I don't know if you guys know, but it's springtime right now. What are some ways that help you tell that it's spring outside? Let's think about that. How can we tell it's spring? Well, we don't have to wear heavy coats anymore or hats or gloves because it's not winter and the weather's getting warmer. It also rains a lot more in the spring so that things can grow. You also might see a lot more animals out and about in the spring, bunnies, birds, that kind of thing. And that's when a lot of animals are born. So you might start to see nests with eggs in them or baby animals So I wanted to read this book about spring because we are in spring right now. And the author who wrote the words is Julie Fagliano. And the illustrator or person who draws the pictures was Aaron Steed. Let's take a look at the front of this book. Do you think this could be fiction or nonfiction? I know you talked with Mrs. Lauer about that a few times. What do you think? Look at the picture. Could this really happen? It looks like a boy and a dog have a wagon and they have some plants in there. Can you really pull a wagon with plants in it? Think about that. And then it's spring. Is it spring in this picture right here? How do you know? First, you have brown. All around, you have brown. That is a lot of brown. Then there are seeds. Why would you be putting seeds in the ground? And a wish for rain, and then it rains. Now let me ask you a question. If you put a seed in the ground, why would you want it to rain? That seems strange to me. And it is still brown, but a hopeful, very possible sort of brown. And is that a little green? No, it's just brown, sort of brown. Then it is a week. And you worry about those little seeds. And if maybe it was the birds. Why would birds be bad for seeds? I wonder why he's worried about the birds. Or maybe it was the bears and all that stomping, because bears can't read signs that say things like, please do not stomp here. They are seeds, and they are trying. And then it's one more week. Very patient kid if he's waiting that long. And the brown, still brown, has a greenish hum that only you can hear if you put your ear to the ground and close your eyes. What do you think is making all that humming noise? Talk with your partner at home. And then it's one more week. And a sunny day. That sunny day that happens right after that rainy day. And you walk outside to check on all that brown. What do you think happened to all that brown after all that rain and all that sun? But the brown isn't around. And now you have green. All around, you have green. So what happened? I want you to draw me a picture of your favorite part of that story. There was a lot of really good parts of that story. And tell me if you think it was fiction or nonfiction. So remember, send me your dictation words, your phrases with your tricky words, and the words that we did dictation with. And send me a picture from the book that was your favorite part. Okay? I hope you guys have a really great weekend. Make sure you get outside. It's going to be gorgeous on Saturday. So get some fresh air, get some vitamin D, and I'll see you Monday. We're going to learn some more new tricky words, so be ready. Okay. And please, 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 over the weekend, practice with your memory words. I want you to play this game every day over the weekend and get really good at those words, okay? All right. Have a great day, guys. Bye.